Hey, welcome to Jendell Overland. I'm Johnny, and today we're doing something a little bit different. In December, Brad and Regina from Trail Recon were holding a contest for the Days of December contest countdown to Christmas, and I won day number 4. And this is the package that they sent me. And it's really awesome. I'm not going to show you the address on it, but it says extremely urgent, which is really cool. Now, I did win some lights. So I'm going to open this up here right now, and then we're going to go out and do the install. Okay, so now that I got it open, we've got a packing slip, and let's see what we got here. This is awesome. So I got some Trail Recon decals. I'm going to put one of those on both of my Jeeps, which is awesome. And I didn't know that this was part of the deal, but they also sent me a Trail Recon shirt with the magic of YouTube. Boom! That fits great. Thank you so much, guys. Now I'm going to open up these lights, and I'm going to take the lights that I have on the Jeep off, and I'm going to install these in its place. These are from Grimm O.R.O. Okay. I got the mounting plates, but I didn't get the lights. So not only did Brad send me the mounts for the lights, but I also got the lights to go with them. And it's funny because I didn't get them the same day, so I thought I misread the prize, and I thought I just got the mounts. 2 days later, this showed up. So let's open this up and take a look. And this is awesome. Now, I've already been into this package, but for the ease of the video, I'm just going to show it like I'm unboxing it right now. That is what they look like, and those are beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the mounts up on the inside here, and then I'm going to go outside and attach them. This wire I'm not going to be using, and I'm going to show you why when we're out there. But I do need to mount these onto these brackets. So all I did was I put the bolt through, like so, just until it's flush mounted, and then put the nut over top of it. Kind of line it up and then push it into place while tightening, and hopefully it grabs, and it did. Perfect. Now, just so I don't lose it, I'm going to put this bolt on, or this nut on this bolt, until we go outside and tighten everything up. Earlier I said that I didn't have to use the wiring provided, and I'm going to show you why. Right now I've got these cheap Amazon lights installed, and it comes with the exact same wiring that these new ones require, so I don't need to use them. So first things first is I got to uninstall these brackets and these lights, and then we'll install the new ones. First thing I got to do is uninstall the original light. So let's get that out of there. Cheap Amazon parts gives you steel screws, which will rust in the weather. And obviously that is what has happened. So I'm going to go get a pair of vice grips and force those off. Oh, finally. Okay, I got it. Wow. So that's why you should never use cheap parts from Amazon. To take this part off, it's easier than I thought it was going to be. I just kind of spun it and it loosened that right off. So now that comes off. And what I think I'm going to do with these is, if you're interested in these, I'm almost at 8,000 subs. Once I get to 8,000 subs, I'm going to give these to one of my viewers. So if you're interested in that and you're not subscribed, please subscribe today. Pull that out. Plug in the new light. Then we'll just bury all of this cable underneath the plastic. And we'll just put that back on. These little extensions go in thin piece first. Now we're going to attach the light to the bracket before we install the bracket. I've got these hooked into my auxiliary switches, so I'm just going to go in and turn it on. Oh yeah, works great. So that's the quick install video. I want to give a shout out to Brad and Regina. Thank you so much for this gift. I mean, it was really awesome and they look fantastic. This was a December giveaway that they did on trailrecon.com for the 12 days of Christmas. And I was lucky enough to win day number 4, which was the set of rigid lights and the bracket that came from Grimm Off-Road. So thank you so much. I'm about to install the sticker on the side of my Jeep, so check that out as well. And thank you guys for joining me. We'll see you guys again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.